So what you can also do is you can go ahead and create out metadata template inside of Adobe Bridge. So to go ahead and do that, you need to go around onto the Tools menu and then choose Create Metadata Template. So once you go ahead and do that, then you can simply see that you can go ahead and add in a metadata as you like. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say sample tutor right here, just like this. And then this is my metadata template. So you can go around and add in core objects right here. You can enable and disable it, as you can see, and add in many different options, as you can see right here, just like this. So this can be for many different things. So I'm just going to go around and on creator, let me type in YouTube right here. So I'm going to go around and say YouTuber right here, just like this. And I'm not going to fill up the rest, but as I fill it out, you can see that I can simply go around and check it out. You can uncheck it out as well if you don't want to include that data, or check it out to include that data. Similarly, there are different type of details that you can add for the metadata template. As you can see, you can also add in GPS location, audio details right here, video details, and other important metadata details as you like as well. So in address, let me just go around and add in YouTube, let's say, for example. So once I go ahead and save that, I can simply save it out, and the metadata value is saved out. And then what happens is that it can be accessed out through the edit metadata template. You can see that it is actually saved out right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and create metadata template inside of Adobe Bridge. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.